Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, my dear kids. Let's learn some colors. Plum color, blue color, rose pink color, red color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, brown color, gray color. Small A. A for X. A for X. Small B. B for bird. B for bird. Small C. C for candle. C. C for candle. Small D. D for doll. D for doll. Small E. Small E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Small F. F for frog. F for frog. Small G. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. Small H. H for hippo. Small H. H for hippo. Small I. I for ink. I for ink. Small J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Small K. K for knife. K for knife. Small L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Small M. M for milk. M for milk. Small N. N for noodles. N for noodles. Small O. O for owl. O for owl. Small P. P for potato. P for potato. Small Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Small R. R for rat. R for rat. Small S. S for snake. S for snake. Small T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Small U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Small V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Small W. W for water. W for water. Small X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Small Y. Y for York. Y for York. Small Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Subscribe.